ọ̀rọ̀ referendum àwọn Fúlàní wá lọ ṣe ìpàdé wípé ẹ jẹ́ àwa agree kí federal government ṣe referendum fún àwọn tó ń wá àti jáde kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Àwa Yorùbá máa ń pera wa lọ́lọ́gbọ́n o. Ṣé ó ṣòro láti rí wípé kíní kan náà gbé pamọ́ sẹ́yìn ẹ̀ ni? Kíní kan náà gbé pamọ́ sẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe simple. The court will decide wípé kí federal government lọ ṣe referendum fún àwọn Yorùbá, ká lọ ṣe referendum fún àwọn Ìgbò, nǹkan kan. Federal government àwa pé INEC, the most corrupt electoral system in the history of the world. Wọ́n á wá pé INEC pé ó yá ẹ lọ ṣe referendum fún wọn. Wá lọ dìbò. Gbogbo yín ìbá dìbò pé ẹ wá country yín tí INEC bá sọ pé ẹ ò win náà nìyẹn. That is it. Ọ̀nà àwa dórí ọ̀pẹ, àwa kì í fún yín gbà yẹn. Àwa Yorùbá, we are going to let ourselves into that kind of trap. Àwa ò ní ìdí referendum. There are other ways people can separate themselves from a country. We have studied it very carefully and we have chosen one, and that one is going to be the result that we want.
Praise the Lord.
We have collected 5 million signatures to a petition which says that we are leaving Nigeria, and our population, only our federal government sọ pé 32 million. We are fine. Only we pay at our 5 million. I want you 10% of our population, our total Yoruba population.
Yes.
It doesn't matter. Once I pay 200. Last time the way my Jakaba Jinya. But I ban country arawa 2 hours. Can it determine if 2 hours? Kaba ma plan develop.